Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Shark Steam Pocket Mop. This is the Pro Steam Pocket Mop. It includes the Pro Steam Pocket Mop body and head, Shark Pro Steam Pocket Mop handle, 2 washable dirt grip pocket pads, and a fill flask. It's supposed to have, you can clean laminate, hardwood marble, sanitizes and cleans your floor with no harsh chemicals, has a 22-inch power cord, extra large water capacity, and 2 washable dirt grip pads. Alright, so that's that. Been pretty happy with the Shark products. We have a few of their vacuum cleaners, and they really stand by their warranty if something goes wrong. We use our vacuum cleaners quite a bit, and if we've had one need to be replaced, and they pretty much took care of that. So there's your little water reservoir, or to fill up their thing there. Here is one of the pads. So has some Velcro on here. You can machine wash separately in warm water, use mild liquid laundry to not bleach or fabric softener, tumble dry on low. It's a nylon polyester mix, so kind of soft, kind of a little abrasive maybe. Used to scrub a little bit. There's that, so there's 2 of those, like it says. Has the actual steam, or the attachment here, so I guess it has some parts right in here where the steam can come out, the holes here in the middle. So put those on, just undo your Velcro like that, slip it inside there, I believe. Okay, my goodness, get in there. So, wow, okay. Is there a specific way you gotta do this, or what? There we go, okay. Just gotta be smarter than the cloth to get in there. I guess to make it a pretty snug fit. It fits nicely, so the Velcro goes up on this side here. And then you can fold this over the front like that. So it kind of surrounds the whole thing with the cloth, and this is nice and flexible, so it moves around like that. All right, here we have handle, and it's got a screw here for some reason. Maybe some assembly required. So it has this screw there. Okay. And where that goes, is it an additional screw for something? I'm not sure. So there's the handle. It's got a nice little rubber grip here around the edge, and you can grip it all the way around, so it's not a little circle. This is made out of, looks like aluminum, so it's fairly sturdy and lightweight. That's good. All right, so we have warranty, questions or problems, mop handle. Okay, so apparently I put that screw in there to assemble it. Fill the flask. I wonder what the warranty on this is. If it's like the other Shark thing, it's like, oh, okay, this one's got a 1-year limited warranty. The Shark vacuums had a 5-year warranty, and they really mean 5-year. So 1-year warranty, not bad. And what else we got here? Got a bag. All right. So here is the actual vacuum, or I'm sorry, the steamer part. And wow, it's kind of got a nice little sparkly finish there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the purple has some like glitter in there, and that looks kind of cool. So to fill this, you have a reservoir up here. Unscrew that. And then it just gets the water out of there. So here's the cord. It's supposed to be a 22-foot cord, so you want a nice and long one. That's good. There's that. And I'm going to be putting this together. See what else we got in here, if anything. I don't really see anything. Nope, that is it. Let's see if you guys can see anything in there. Get in there. No, all right. So that's that. We'll do put it together real quick, and we'll do a demonstration and get this thing fired up. So I'll be right back and show you that. Alrighty. So we are going to attach this handle here, and if you look at this, there's only one way it can go in there, and you want to just there's a screw hole in the back right there. So put this in there. Like I said, there's only one way it can go in there. Put that in there. Take that screw I showed you earlier, and it's a Phillips head screwdriver. Screw that in there. Actually, a flathead screwdriver will work too. It's both, so it doesn't have to over tighten. There we go. Make sure it's in there good. Okay, we're going to put some water in here. That's counterclockwise. Take your water. See how well this pours. Quite well, actually. Fill up my little reservoir here. There we go. Didn't even spill a drop. So it's about a half full. So I'll probably put some more in there. We're going to get this thing fired up though. Okay. So this pad now just fits right in here. Oops. And once again, it can only go in one way. So this part has that little notch right there. And you want to line it up with the notch right on that one, which I did not do, and that's why it didn't go on. So now that we have the notches lined up, and just push together till it snaps. To get it out of there, you want to hit that button and it'll pop out. All right, I'm going to go start mopping, and I'll show you guys that. So we'll be back with the final review. Okay, so first we're going to plug it in. And now here's the steam control. So I want it to be on mopping, so I'm going to press this. So 1 turns it on dust, 2 is the mop, 3 turns it off pretty much. So now I want on mop because I have basically just concrete floor here. So that's what I'm going to do it on. So here we go, already starting to, it says wait 30 seconds. I already got some steam coming out of here. Watch out, it can be pretty hot, so you guys got to be careful. See the steam coming out of there. Oh yeah. So it's pretty easy to push. Handle's nice and comfortable here. So looks like it's doing a good job here. Plenty of steam coming out of there. So with this, I kind of work my way backwards so I'm not stepping on the floor. This gets a little slippery, the concrete, and it's a little wet, so kind of work my way backwards from here. So Now with this one, it's pretty cool. You can just flip this one over, it says, and look at that. So there's a little bit dirty there. So you can tell that, so basically just flipped it over, but so the design is like that, so you can get twice the usage out of it. So that's a pretty good idea for sure. One side gets too dirty, and you flip it over and continue on. So I'm liking that. It's a good idea. I like the round handle part, so if you do flip it over, you can use it just as easy, and it's the same all the way around. So that's pretty cool. It's got the same amount of steam, should be coming out of either side, whether you flip it over or not. So, alright, that's about that. Like I said, if you do want to flip it over, just flip it over like that. You turn it. Either way, you can get into the corners pretty easy like that. And it's light enough so it's easy to steer and stuff like that. So, pretty cool mop here. I'm going to go on to the final review, my friends. Alright, welcome back. So final thoughts here, just showing some other stuff on here. It's got a clip to hold the cord. This part bends down so you can take the cord off easily, and also goes back into place. So I'm going to wrap up the cord here and just simply loop it under and over. So this has a 22-foot cord, I believe, so it's pretty good length. So there's that. Alright, and then that attaches on the side there like that. Okay, so once I'm going to show you this pad, I just got done doing the whole house. To remove this bottom part, click on the button and that just comes right out. You can set that down. There we go. Alright, and I just want you to check this out. So this is, well, right, so this is the color that it was. Actually, you know what? It's kind of disgusting, actually. I'm going to show you compared to this other one here. Let's get a real-life comparison here. All right, so as you can see, did the whole house, and like I was able to just flip it over like that. I guess I didn't need to flip this one over, but you can see how dirty that is. And we keep our house pretty clean. We do dirty vacuum like twice a day. So I got some, still it's hard to avoid some dirt and stuff like that. So to take this off, just take the Velcro off like this. Pull that out, and we can throw this in the laundry. It says to hang this up somewhere next to the thing, and we'll do that. So all in all, pretty happy with this. It's super lightweight, easy to push around. The reservoir, like it is a pretty good size. It takes 2 of those cups I showed you to fill it up, and I guess probably about 1,400 square feet on my house, and I pretty much did the whole house with that one reservoir full. So pretty happy with that. It doesn't make the floors overly wet. I had a steam cleaner before, and it would kind of get at your floors. It'd be more wet, you know. But this seems to actually do a lot more steam. It seems to dry off a lot faster too, but it seemed to do a good job of cleaning since I got all that dirt off of there. So it is lightweight. It heats up super fast. It's within like 30 seconds you got steam coming out of there, so it's pretty cool. Easy to turn. The handle is ergonomic, easy to grip. You can flip it over. Turns the mop head quite easily as well. The cord is a decent length. You're going to be able to find plugins within your area of reach, you know, and so it comes like this, like a flatter cord, super easy to put on here, and to get it off, you just click that down. You can undo your cord. Seems to be sturdy enough. I like this is actually metal and not like a plastic. Some like the one I had before was like a cheaper. It was like a plastic, and you could feel like when you lifted it, it would just kind of like feel like it was gonna break. But this is a sturdy metal. It feels like it's relatively solid and it's not going to break on me. So I've been impressed with the Shark products, and this one is no exception. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review. I'm going to leave a link down below. You can check out similar items like this from Amazon if you want. I am an Amazon associate, so if you do click on those links, it does help me out and support the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.